Good morning and half a day. We're here in Canton Tassi Apartments, Unit 2. Walking in. To the left, we have really nice kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. Stovetop, washer dryer. We have a water softener, water filter, and a water heater right there. Living area space. Look at that. Heading into the first bedroom. So this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. Look at this. Then here we have a bedroom. Closet space. Hallway, bathroom, very nice bathroom, and then the last bedroom. So these units, we can furnish it upon negotiation. Let us know, send us a PM, call our office. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.